Okay, so here we go, an EP3 Civic in for tuning on an ECU exchange. It's got some mods, as you can see, like a Dynodaze induction kit, but we have fitted a Japspeed 4-to-1 manifold and TypeR 70mm exhaust system. So let's see what power she makes. Take 3. EP, like I said in the previous 2 takes that delete themselves. Yeah, EP3 in for a map. It came in with a flexi hanging down and sort of semi-ripped off.
Yeah, it got a spoon rep back box, a B pipe, an eBay B pipe was hanging really stupidly low. I think basically he hit that on something and then gave us a call and said, my flexi's gone on my downpipe. On the manifold. We said, well, okay, that's fair enough, but usually that's indicative of an engine mount problem. Or obviously if you hit it on something, so obviously we'll have to have it back and have a look at it. To which he said, yeah, I did really just clout the floor with it and it's torn it off. So at least he was honest. Yeah, so we fitted a new manifold.
New 4-to-1
New 4-to-1 and put a TypeR 70mm on it.
Available on the website.
Because obviously it just wasn't ever going to fit properly and it was just a mess. So it was just better to start again. So we've done that and sorted all these little problems out. He has still got 2 torque mounts that are ripped on this car and the engine mount is showing signs of wear because obviously the fact that it's doing on that. So that probably didn't help the Flexi either. So we're going to advise him that he needs to put 2 torque mount inserts in, if not replace the torque mounts, and obviously look at getting a new engine mount as well because that won't be long before that goes.
But we've mapped it up.
Yeah, we mapped it up.
It's made close to 230 brake.
Yeah, close to 230. I think we're relatively happy with that.
It's got a Dynodaze induction kit.
It's got a Dynodaze induction kit, so not the best induction kit. I think we may have made a little bit more top end. We sort of made peak power and then started tailing off. I think that was down to the size of the induction kit. I think if we had a decent induction kit on there, I think we would have continued, maybe not made power, but, you know, flattened off and not lost power at the top end. Yeah, I think next step, obviously, is decent induction kit and an inlet manifold and a throttle body, I think, is the next step for this car.
It's where we shall advise him, other than engine mounts.
Other than engine mounts. I think engine mounts are a necessity first, in my opinion. Yeah, so I think that's a good end to the day. Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph. Let's do it. And there we have it. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Lots of power in the mid-range, and we finish on 227 brake horsepower, which is 198 at the wheels. Not bad at all. Yeah, code word for this one is, well, should we just go with TypeR? If you get to this point in the video, I appreciate it, Rich appreciates it. So bang the code word down below, TypeR, and we will see you all on the next one. Thanks, guys.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.